Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I'm sharing how to use the regular line chart to compare actual versus target. The solid line represents the actual values, and the dashed line represents the target. And the red or green bars or columns are the variances between the actual and target. Or if you prefer to have a simpler version, the line chart will only show the actual and the variances from the target. In terms of the format of this video, I designed it with slides, not a live demo, to make it easier for you to follow at your own speed. Please pause the video frequently to catch up. Step 1 is to create 3 measures, 1.1 for your original actual measure, and then 1.2 and 1.3 to create 2 measures for the target. They're exactly the same values, just under different names, target 1 and target 2. Step 2 is to create 2 more measures. Please replace only the highlighted sections with your own data and keep all the rest the same. Step 3.1 is to create a measure to calculate the variance between actual and target. Again, please replace only the highlighted sections with your own data and keep all the rest the same. One thing about this 3.1 is how you want to display the data labels in the line chart. Is it by percentage or the dollar sign or how many decimal points you want? Or with a K for the thousand, please replace the highlighted 2 sections based on your own data. For step 3.2 all the way to step 17, please pause the video frequently and see the instructions on each slide. Please don't be alarmed as I did not provide any verbal instructions until step 18. And for step 18, since we already turned off the legend to avoid some confusion in the visual, if you still need it, please add in some shapes as the legend. And finally, step 19, if you only want to display the actual line and the variances bar, just turn off the line for step 1, target 1 for the target.